This time on the Royalty Diaries. I am just relaxing in the room right now. I have this book, Tommy by Junji Ito. It is, how many pages? It is over 740 pages long. I want to get the other books by him as well. This book was a 10 out of 10. I highly recommend it. Check out the artwork. I'm cooking my mom and me English muffins. And this is what I'm using: Swiss cheese, Atlantic salmon, smoked, and English muffin. And this is my breakfast. My mom is not feeling well, so we did an order at Target. We got Gatorade. I got lemonade, creamer. She got chicken noodle soup. I'm glad he said it hopes you feel better, Mom. We got bananas, clementines, Doritos for me, chickpea puffs, apple juice, Bertolli garlic Alfredo, yogurt covered pretzels, and snap peas. I know this is weird, but I'm going to bring this and put this on my bathtub, and while I'm washing up for today, I'm going to watch Tomy anime full episodes. Yeah, I'm just wanting to take a bath and watch anime and wash up, like go to the bathroom and watch TV, so I'm going to do that. This is literally me right now. Sorry, I don't mean to show my toilet. So this is me. I'm going to watch anime while I'm in the restroom. I am just looking up good places to travel to. So if you scroll down from Florida, you have all of these locations that you can travel to. Look how close the Bahamas are to Florida, and then Jamaica to Florida. Now I'm looking up what the Bahamas are known for. What is the food like in the Bahamas? The food in the Bahamas is amazing, Icela. They're famous for their conch fritters, pea and rice, guava duff, and tropical fruits like guava and mango. You'll also find a lot of seafood on the menu, especially conch and lobster. It's definitely a culinary experience worth exploring. The Bahamas are a popular tourist spot known for their beautiful beaches, clear turquoise waters, and vibrant culture. There's plenty to see and do there, including snorkeling, diving, and exploring historic sites like Fort Fincastle. What would you like to specifically know about the Bahamas? I'm excited. It is almost time to get ramen noodles. I'm wearing my shirt today. You know, I would like to eat conch. I actually have a conch shell. Pirate doubloon jewelry. Conch shell products and jewelry. Locally made art and handicrafts. Pirate Republic craft beer. Junkanoo art. Straw goods. homemade jams and jellies. I am all done writing in my book for now. I'm cooking my mom breakfast because she's not feeling well this morning. My mom is having 1 egg with 2 English muffins. We have a good flip. Well, I actually flipped the egg correctly this time. We are having breakfast. It is 9:20. And this is my mom's food for while she doesn't feel well. I'm heating up my street noodles. My noodles are done. We got bread, spinach, Pick's orange juice. I got peach and white cranberry juice, honey lavender stress relief soothing serenity blend tea, organic, by Yogi, and Revlon hair color soft black. I got Cherry Garcia Ben & Jerry's ice cream and Chunky Monkey for my mom. And then we got 2 COVID tests. Because I don't feel good. Because she doesn't feel good. I just cried over the Palisades fire and all of the places in California. It's really upsetting to me because I just take life so seriously, and I feel really bad for the people out there. I feel really bad for what everyone's going through. I'm sorry for what everyone's going through. I really don't know what to say. It's such a tragedy. We wish it could be different. You know, California has a problem with fires and earthquakes, and Florida has a problem with hurricanes. And I just would never live in any of those places personally. I think people should move. I'm so sorry that they didn't have insurance. And for what's going on, that's really shady of the companies to drop their insurance. But yeah, let's just hope that they can rebuild. My dog just ate her breakfast in the nice, safe location of our home. We're really thankful. And I just have my entertainment here. I have my Ocean Shell book, my phone, my laptop with a stand. Oh no, here's my laptop with my editing for my videos, and then here's my iPad, which I watch TV on. Just hanging out here because my mom is not feeling good. She is sitting here. I just had a yogurt, now I'm having Reese's Puff cereal. Move my bananas out of the sun. I am heating up noodles, cooking them. Rana, butternut squash. I have to add more water. Now I have to move the bananas to the other side because the sun is traveling. The butternut squash ravioli is amazing. And I am just putting some Tabasco on mine. And now I'm going back for more, but still leaving my mom some if she wants some. We got pizza last night. Does anyone else do that? Open the old box to check on the crumbs? Or is it just me? I'm doing my laundry. Look at how full my basket is. I'm doing a speed wash on low spin, warm temp. Oh, my hair dye towels. And these two sweaters go in a washing bag. This is my recycling I have to bring out. These are the washing bags. I am all tucked in this cozy living room, just hanging out. I am doing one at a time. I'm doing first my laundry and then the dishes. And I don't like to shower if my mom's in the shower because that takes away from my heat. So, yeah, I'm just relaxing. I'm going to watch some YouTube on my iPad while I wait for my laptop to charge. I'm going to pluck my eyebrows. We got Chinese takeout. My crab rangoon. My mom's egg drop soup. Mom, you got 2 egg drops.
No, we got a wonton and an egg drop.
Oops, they gave us 2 egg drop soups. Oh no, they didn't. They gave us a wonton and an egg drop. Here are egg rolls. That was my mistake. General Tso's chicken combination. Sesame chicken combination. And I love when they include all the goodies in here. I thank God for this meal and that I am in a safe home that's standing. Just almost got teary and choked up in my nose. And thank God we have nothing to do with the California fires.
Seriously?
Mm-hmm. I am making leftover Chinese. It is 11:48 in the morning. We just shoveled the neighbor's driveway and our own and the walkway. So we shoveled 4 areas and we took a look at his really nice backyard. I am heating up my soup. And over here, Probably feels nice on her teeth. That was really cute, my dog eating the apple. Now we are just relaxing. I just had Chinese food and a clementine. The My Pillow towel set showed up in the mail. I'm so excited. I'm even keeping this ribbon. I am going out to help my mom with the driveway. Yay, now I get to bring my towel set up. I have my pillow towels right here. This is what my towel closet looks like. Toilet paper, all my shampoos and conditioners, body wash, towels, tissues and baby powder and other things, wipes, and hair color, and recycling. We are on marleyspoon.com, MARLEYSPOON, and we are just looking at food to buy. Here are examples of some of the dishes that you can buy, and it shows up to your house and you make the food. My dog's being a scruff umph. She was itching her face on the carpet. Nessie! So we are not making s'mores because we don't have graham crackers, but we are making banana bread, hopefully. We are making Pillsbury banana bread. Bake 375. Bake again to preheat the oven. And we do 1 cup water, 1/3 cup oil, and 2 eggs.
And we're adding a banana.
I'm going to peel this and squish it with a fork.
Where's the third cup? I can't see.
Right here.
Yep, got it.
Eye level while it's down on the ground, Mom. Let me see before. Alright, it's perfect.
Yes, I know, 'cause I did it.
I'm filming. You just sound like a Sasquatch.
You're filming while I said that?
Yeah.
Oh, that's embarrassing. The whole thing, please.
I'll edit out sound.
Well, at least that. Or you can do it, I don't care, and you can make fun of it. I'm not going to put in as much water because the banana's going to add moisture.
Thank you. We're going to enjoy this. What are you not going to add?
Not as much water because we're putting banana in it.
Oh, yeah.
Some moisture. Overmix this, it can get too mixed and then it'll be tough.
Ew, look at the bananas. Thank you. Careful, try not to get your hands though in near the food because you are sick. Very smart to put in different spots. I always like to smell the batter. And now we put flour in the buttered pan to coat the pan properly so it doesn't stick. How do you know when the oven's preheated? Does it let you know?
Seriously?
Yeah, we have a new home.
Yeah, it beeps.
I've never heard it beep. Now time for the big reveal. Yay, it's a My Pillow towel. I love this color, cerulean blue. I'm going to have fun using that towel. Next time on the Royalty Diaries.